Hi my darlings. Today we are going to talk about how to set your goal. Because goals, it's what keep us alive, what keep us with emotion in life. But we have to be really smart about it. So that is why from now on we will talk you about the smart goals. But what does smart goals really mean?
Sorry, can you pass me this? Sure. Oh, no, this. No, this. Sure, this. Don't worry.
May you pass me some water, please?
Sure.
Hostia puta! I meant a glass of water!
Oh, sorry.
Fuck! Debora, darling, let's go! Why are you so late?
I didn't know where to stop running.
So now we all know what smart goals mean, and that will make our lives much better. So if you like this video, you can follow us on Instagram, you can like and subscribe, and pay attention to the rest of our content.